Hello everybody and welcome to Moto Electric. I have successfully installed my mic in my helmet. So this is a test to see how the video reacts to my audio and see if it's all windy or if you guys can hear what I'm saying. We are just done another day at work. And it is hot as ever out right now. I think it's like close to 30 degrees. We're gonna see how the bike handles in hot weather. The batteries are supposed to perform better in this hot weather, so we're gonna find out. We're gonna take a highway today. This is my favorite time of year, summertime. I just love summer. Don't get me wrong, I love winter too. Christmas is one of my favorite holidays. So I have taken the chain off my bike. I am going to be looking into replacing the chain with a higher grade, better quality. That one that came with the bike, it seemed to rust right away. So, I'm new to the bikes, so even with my mountain bike, my chain got rusty and I didn't know how to take care of it properly. So this is going to be something that I'm going to have to learn for sure. Or I don't know, maybe that's just what happens to these chains that are for bicycles. Maybe they're just a different grade. Oh, that wind feels good, man. It is so hot out here. I always seem to hit this red light every time I come this way. So as you guys can see in my last video, I did a meet and ride with a subscriber. His name was Ron. Great guy. I'm hoping that him and I can go for rides all the time since we both live in the same city. Again, see, and then I pick up speed and then I hit this red light. Never fails. Yeah, so I've been riding my bike ever since I got it in December without any company. I've always been by myself, not knowing too many people who have these bikes, or You know, so it's kind of been hard. I enjoy it by myself, don't get me wrong, but I just miss that group atmosphere. I do eventually want to try and set up an e-bike ride. I have seen tons of videos on YouTube with the gas bikes where everybody goes and meets up and everybody rides together. That's cool, man. That's a trike. Yeah. And try and set up an e-bike group ride. So if anybody's watching my channel and you're in the Vancouver area, hit me up, leave me a message, and let's try and get this done. Man, I must be going against the wind because I'm not going that fast. Oh, a couple weeks ago I upgraded from the original GoPro Hero HD to the Hero 3 Plus. I have upgraded again. I am now currently running all my video through the new GoPro 7 Black, and I am just amazed at the video quality that this thing is coming out with. It's just amazing. God, I love this bike. If it performs this well with lead acid batteries, I am very, very, very excited to get lithium. It's a beautiful day. I'm glad summer's here. It's been like this for the past 3-4 days. Summer is here. Never fails, man. Red light after red light. And this is with the batteries half dead, guys. This seems to be a sweet spot. I don't have the throttle fully kicked out, and the bike just seems to just give her in this throttle position. Oh, that wind feels good.